Welcome to our channel. Today we'll guide you through the process of applying for a Macy's credit card, a great way to earn discounts and rewards while you shop. Follow these simple steps to get started. Step 1. Understand the benefits. Before applying, it's important to know the benefits of having a Macy's credit card. Cardholders can enjoy exclusive discounts, access to special promotions, and rewards on every purchase made at Macy's stores and online. Step 2. Visit the Macy's website. Go to the official Macy's website. Once there, scroll down to the footer and look for the link titled Credit Card. Click on it to be directed to the credit card information page. Step 3. Review application requirements. Make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. Applicants typically need to be at least 18 years old, a U.S. resident, and have a valid Social Security number. Check if you meet these requirements before proceeding. Step 4. Click on Apply Now. On the credit card information page, locate and click the Apply Now button. This will take you to the online application form. Step 5. Fill out the application form. Complete the application form by providing the necessary information, including your name, address, date of birth, income, and Social Security number. Be sure to double-check your information for accuracy. Step 6. Review and submit. After filling out the form, review all your information to ensure it is correct. Once you are satisfied, submit your application. Step 7. Wait for approval. After submitting, you will receive an instant response regarding your application status. If approved, you will receive your Macy's credit card in the mail within a few weeks. In some cases, you might need to wait for further verification, which could take longer. Step 8. Activate your card. Once you receive your card, you will need to activate it before use. Follow the activation instructions that come with your card, which typically involve calling a number or visiting the Macy's website. Step 9. Start shopping and saving. Now that your Macy's credit card is active, you can start shopping. Enjoy the discounts and rewards that come with your new card, and always look for promotional offers designed for cardholders. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on saving while you shop. Happy shopping!